I am here in Austin, Texas, in the city, shooting in the Seaholm District with a gorgeous model, Miss Samantha. So join me. Now, I am here by myself, so I don't have anyone to film for me. So what you guys are going to get is some behind the scenes footage with this really awesome GoPro. This is the GoPro Black 9 or 9 Black, and does a pretty cool job at photographing what's going on, so I can concentrate on just shooting and you can see things as they actually happen. All right, before Samantha gets here, let me introduce you to all of the usual suspects, all of my gear. I've got the Canon R5 with me, battery grip attached, and the 20E-70 f2. Definitely my go-to lens these days, especially if I am traveling. I also have the 135 f2 with the adapter and the control ring. And because just can't live without a little bit of light, I did bring my Profoto A1X, and it's got my orange gel already on here. I do have a grid, I do have a soft bounce, but you know me, I like to make a little bit of magical light if I have the whim to do it. So this is what we've got. This is what we're shooting at. My goals for the shoot today, aside from showing you a little bit of Austin, is to really learn a little bit of Austin, because I don't know much about the city, so I decided to come here to the Seaholm District near the city power plant. Sounds a little gritty, but it's got cool walls like this thing behind me. And we also have a butterfly bridge. There's some cool colored fence, so let's just have fun. We're here to have fun. Join me. Awesome. And then dead on, like face towards me, maybe play with your, yeah. Love that. Cool. I'm coming over to you.
You want me to keep my purse or something?
Hang on to it for a second, because I think it looks cute. Have you lean just against, kind of like, maybe like this. Yeah. Get some of the city behind you. And then you can drop the purse. I'll have some you just kind of leaning this way. Yeah. Is that a subway or a train?
Train.
Okay. That looks great. Do a little like hip. Awesome. Play with your hat a little bit. Perfect. Nice. And then do like just a big giggle kind of laugh. An Instagram laugh, if you will.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's walk a little bit more. Just because it's, all right, so this is a fun like vertical one. So kind of like play around doing something like this, something like this. Move it around a bit. Yeah. Awesome, love it. Yep, great. Just kind of like lean there like you're waiting for your Uber. And then you can put the hat on. Nice. And bring the other hand up that way. Love that. Behind you. Do you mind sitting against there?
Sure.
So I think that would look cute. Cool. Right there. Just messing around with the light. You don't have to count. Nice. Perfect. So pretty. All right, let me grab my phone. Hi, puppy.
They're trying to say hi to you guys.
Oh, really?
The longest time.
I always say hi. I love the doggies. You are so sweet. You can come home. Ooh, you know what? While the sun is peeking, come over here real quick. Yeah, if you come right here, that'd be awesome. Play with your hair a little bit this way, like you were. Good. And then look back again at me. And then take the deep breath again. Perfect. And then look like right there. Yeah. And kind of smirk. Chin down a little. Gorgeous. Perfect. Oh, yeah, really pretty. Okay, I guess we could go that way.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, and oh, yes, perfect. Take a little step towards me, and you're gonna look that way. You want your face to be in the sun, but obviously don't go blind. Take a step backwards, so your face is in the sun. Yeah, but eyes down, so it's not awesome. And then you can put the hat on. Perfect, and still look towards the sun so it's hitting your eyes. You keep your other hand on the hat. Yeah. Let's do one where it's kind of more, maybe kind of something like this. Or I guess if you turn this way and look back. Yeah. Cute, perfect. And then this elbow, bring it that way. Yes, that looks fun. It's funny, it's a totally different look from like sun to shade. Turn this way a little, yeah, right there. Perfect. And then maybe let's do one that are kind of like sweet almost, so like maybe putting your elbows in or kind of going this way, like almost shy. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Love that. And then we'll couple without the hat. You can plop it. Actually, let's go right here for this one. And then, yep, right in the shade. Oops. Yeah, and same kind of thing. Like just very sweet. Maybe take a little step forward because you're still a little in the sun. Maybe keep coming through. Yep, right there. Nice. Perfect. And then do a little lean this way. I want you like, there's one white spot that's perfect for you to be in. Love that. That's really cute. Nice. Love it. Ooh, do that again where you kind of like did that shoulder in too. And maybe bring all your hair over to the side.
Just like I said, get the gate
yeah, and then you kind of did like a... Yeah, I love that. Maybe bring this hand, almost like you're going back on your neck. And then kind of like let one arm go up, one arm go down. Perfect. Awesome. Yes, that looks great. Nice, and then look towards me. Perfect. And then do a giggle, because it's an Instagram spot. Perfect. Okay. So take a little step this way, and towards me. I'm just gonna see what this does to you. Hopefully it won't be violent. Yeah, it's a little violent, so don't look at it. There we go. Oh, the wind.
No, no. Should I hold the bottom?
Actually, do you mind? Because otherwise it might smack your face. Yeah, turn it out this way a little more. Right about.
Oh, I see.
Where'd it go? The sun right there. There, I think. A little bit of teamwork. Love that. And then the sun went away. Let's go chase it over there. Like slowly just went away. And then do some like kind of like we were gonna do with you walking this way.
Okay.
Let me just move my focus point. Yeah, and then just kind of walk and turn. Nice. Turn back behind you like you're looking at something. Yep. And then go back the other way. And move this. Okay. Same thing. Nice. Love that. Perfect. All right. So you'll just end up being like right in the middle, straddling the lines and just kind of like play with the purse. You can keep it more in front. Yep. And that way we play. Actually, now's the perfect time.
Oh, wait, in this one.
Yeah, that line. Yep, right there. Awesome. Perfect. Little hip. Look left, look right. Let's go. So we'll do it one more time. Keep your feet on either side of the line so that way you're dead center, and then just lean one way and the other. There we go. Yeah, love that. Good, hand on, perfect. Nice. Awesome. And we're good. We got it. Yay! High five. Perfect. Those are really cute too. Yeah. All right. That was a wrap. This is Miss Samantha. You can follow her on Instagram, miss.samantha, right?
Yes, that's
Okay.
correct.
Yes. All right. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you got to see Austin. I know I had fun learning about Austin. And see you next time. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. Tell me if you want to see more of Austin. Bye.
Bye.